Students, we are talking about reproduction in organism. Our first topic is reproduction. After then, lifespan and types of reproduction. Reproduction has two types, asexual and sexual reproduction. So first see definition of reproduction. What is the reproduction? Reproduction is an important character of every organism. An organism produces its own goods to maintain its offspring. This process is called reproduction. Then right here, reproduction is an important character of every organism. An organism produce its own goods. To maintain its offspring. This process is called reproduction. So let's see again. Reproduction definition is: reproduction is an important characteristic of every organism. An organism produces its own goods to maintain its offspring. This process called is reproduction. After the reproduction definition, we talk about the need of reproduction. Why we need to reproduction? And what are the qualities of reproduction? So firstly, the need of reproduction. Actually, the reproduction is the reproductive capacity of life on earth, variation and population density. So right then, the need of reproduction. Reproduction keeps the reproductive capacity of life on earth, variations and population density. Okay, and let we start now qualities. organism is born and matures and gives birth to children through reproduction, and death come after. This cycle goes on continuously, maintained continuously in the reproductive species from one generation to another generation. Okay, so right there, organism is the organism is born and mature. And gives birth to children through reproduction. This cycle goes on continuously. Maintains continuously in the reproduction या फिर reproductive. Species from one to one generation. One to one या one to another generation. Okay, after the reproduction's definition, need and qualities, we talk about our next topic, lifespan. What is the lifespan? So our topic is lifespan. What is the lifespan? Define that. So the period from birth of an organism to its natural death. कौन सी? Natural death represents the lifespan of the organism. Okay, so right there, the period from birth of an organism to its natural death represents the lifespan. Okay, clear that? So now we talk to our examples. में देखेंगे हम। द लाइफ ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म, तो ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड लाइफ स्पैन्स। ऑर्गेनिज्म फर्स्ट है बटरफ्लाई, 1-2 weeks. Okay, second rice, 3-4 months. Fourth अपना grow, 5th अपना mango, 15 to 16 years। ग्रो है 15 ईयर्स और इसका मैंगो का है 50 to 60 ईयर। और अब है पीपल, नेक्स्ट है अपना पीपल एंड बेनियान ट्री। $200 year, and parrot have 140 years। So there are organisms and lifespans. First, butterfly 1-2 weeks, rice 3-4 months, crow 15 years, mango 50 to 60 years, parrot 140 years, people and banyan tree almost 200 years। Student, it is a notify point that there are no similarity connection between the lifespan and shape and size of an organism। So write this: there is no similarity connection between the lifespan and shape and size of organism। There is no similarity connection between the lifespan and shape size of an organism। Okay, clear that? So we know about that lifespan। After then lifespan, we talk to about sexual and asexual reproduction। These are the types of reproduction। So our next topic is types of reproduction। These has 2 types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction। These topics are covered up next video। Okay।